Okay, for those of you who are wanting to know how to do string cleaning, come on, dunk right into my op-eds. The notations for I said before, this is not springs cleaning. This is strings cleaning. This is not Hyperman the Fast Pigs on Nintendo Genesis 64s. Don't worry if you don't get that joke, it's a Gamer Insiders. I'm talking about the cleaning your strings, Master Chief Smarts. If you don't get that one, it's also another gaming man. So you're taking the strings and you're holding it up like this, okay? You're holding it up so it can be floating like a butterfree, but not stings like a bean. This is not Muhaha Man Allen, the great hand puncher. It was his tactic for overcoming the enemy, I believe. Wondering why this is like this looks so fuzzy and it's like a snow globe or something. I'm wondering why it's so smoky looking and I didn't even smoke a hunk. What is that? As you see on the program, you never know what you're learning. But now we're going to put in this. You're holding it upright, the strings, and you throw it out in the rain. See? It's raining. And it's going to clean it. But also, if you have, you can use a string cleaner. See? String cleaner and conditioner. This is very good for cleaning strings also. But I prefer put in the rain. You can choose if you want. Thank you. I'm teaching you anything about strings today. Now the ladies is gonna love you. And they will approve it varies.